Because hey Joe, it goes further because I mean Mokupa is almost like eating at the land. Literally. If Bakeba Kwazo, Bakeba Tule, you actually feel the outie Kwaza and they pay no bills. Yeah. I'm going to yeah. Okay, those rides that adrenaline enjoy. That's the same adrenaline in Chula undercover. Same. Goes to show that powerful, it can imitate what you have.
Yeah, that's why I'm
actually dream down. That's the best sex a nigga can have.
Oh, wait, dream down. The pussy's tighter than the motherfucker.
Stood
us some more.
Within
5 seconds, that you done.
Yeah, the best. No, even a human can't multiply that. The best. So there's
no nigga who went dream, you went 2 rounds.
Never.
It's only 1 round because I'm going 3 and it's fucking fine. It doesn't last more than 6
because we connected by one frequency. Like 100 by 100, but as we connected by one frequency. That we understand each other through your. So good thing was we could English. It's only the frequency. Through one throughout. So when I'm into frequency. So in the other world, there's a different frequency. So most people your brain goes maybe from 44 hertz to 99.2 hertz. So there any frequency, any dimension, any range. And that's like the spiritual realm. Yeah, but I'm frequency alone. So me believing Guti, there's actually other worlds.
We don't have Zod.
Una is all that.
How much depending that as one machine?
Damn. Like in this realm, it's fully Zod. Yeah, I'm told. In the other realm,
send it up. Mr. W. Send the menu and stuff, you know.
Yo, what's up? What's close? You know why? It's what it is.
Imag, let's say on the YouTube channel, and then intro
this is my YouTube channel. YouTube channel to make the shit like right here, right now, same place, same time, you know, killing it all the time.
Yes.
Gangster, nigga. I ain't gangster, but gangster.
R.I.P.
It's
R.I.P. to those who have R.I.P.'d.
Because they ripped the car. Yeah. R.I.P.
Yo.
R.I.P. dog. They have ripped the car from this world, dog.
I'll be one. Yeah, cool.
What do you want to
I feel out.
Fuck, umsila satsane. Uyanika laseshayina. Zonke ingane idilika amasweet. We had it. We're the boys. We're the kings.
Yes.
We try to enlighten you guys. We try to show you how to make new.
So
subscribe.
Like that shit.
Like the shit. And so I'm a pretty face, yo. And I'm singing, yo.
Yeah.
You might get me some.
Kanye is a
motherfucking mingle, dog.
Mingle,
dog.
Yep. Yeah. So yeah.
Fuck
up.
Hey, what up? This is your boy TT, and welcome back to the luxury segment. And this is the segment where we're going to be sharing, listening, talking, laughing if it's laughable. So yeah, peace out. Peace out.
This nigga he asked us something he's afraid of.
Vanilla parties,
I'll buy you this one. Bings. I paid. It's my turn. It's your turn. Let's go. Welcome to the podcast. What can you talk about? What can I talk about? You know.
Didn't even try it.
Yeah. That's how we do it. Yeah, so we don't even try around here, man. We just do shit, you know. Welcome to the podcast.
What's
up?
You know,
The end game.
yeah,
This is
the
I'm
end.
with my boys.
Okay, me
I'm
is
sorry.
Thanos now.
This is
my
Thanos. This nigga just flipped this switch, nigga.
Peace out,
Yeah, nigga. Come on, dog. This is silhouette now. He's switching this. Nigga, switch this switch on, dog.
Switch,
Yeah. It's really different.
What's up?
Coming to you live from Rapodilo Street. So, yeah. Cheers to life.
Trejo Tebucho from Turf Loop, but currently residing in Brakpan. I'm a scriptwriter and a filmmaker. I've always wanted to study film and TV production, but due to lack of funds, I ended teaching myself how to write scripts, shoot, edit, and direct short films and podcasts. I started a YouTube channel, Lang Tray Studio, where I shoot short films and podcasts on my Samsung